Alright, there's a deer right outside here at the house. I'm gonna go catch it.
Good morning, everyone. Izzy, can you say good morning? Yeah. So we just put Izzy in her high chair, but Izzy woke up and we gave her a shower. David fed her a bottle and then was playing with her. He went outside with her while I got my hair and makeup done for the day. And I come back in and I made her, this could be the first time she's actually gonna eat this, scrambled eggs. And then she's obviously had blueberries before. But all of a sudden, David's all, look at her feet. I'm like, what? Look at what David did to Izzy's toes. They're painted! So David and his mom were outside. They were painting something for a party that's coming up. And David took the paint and painted Izzy's toes. So, all of you out there thinking that I was gonna paint her toes or fingers first, no, David beat me to it. So now Izzy has painted toes, don't ya? Yeah. So I'm waiting for her eggs to cool down, and then I think we're gonna bring her outside and have her try her eggs. And David's gonna make us eggs, and then we're gonna go out, I think, and about downtown. So that'll be fun. Yeah, that'll be fun. You wanna do that? You happy girl? Yeah.
You trying some eggs?
Is it good, Iz? Any blueberries? Red. Got it? There you go. Is that yummy? Don't show it.
Alright, we are visiting Grandma and Grandpa, or Izzy's great grandma, but my grandma and grandpa. And this is their new place. They actually just moved in about a year ago. And here it is. They went from a house to a little townhome. Actually fits them a little better. So we're happy for them. So we're just now walking in. We're gonna see everyone.
Alright, so we made it over to great grandma and great grandpa's. That's Izzy's great grandma and great grandpa. And we are about to have some yummy tacos. Grandma made some dips.
Okay, we're ready.
Some yummy tacos. We're gonna start to eat.
You ready to eat?
Yeah, let's eat.
There's a deer right outside here at the house. I'm gonna go catch it. See if he's still there. Okay, he's just around the corner. I'm gonna try to stay hidden.
So David is out. He's hunting. Trying to film. I think it's a deer.
I found him. Oh well, I almost got him. Those things are fast and so quiet. I don't know how something that big can be so quiet. Wow.
Alright guys, so Brandon and Liz just got here. I'm so excited! They made it!
Oh, video.
They made it! Oh my gosh! Who is this dude?
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Hi, Bellamy. Oh. Alright guys, I came outside to find David and Izzy. Brandon and Liz are inside getting their kids all situated and to sleep and everything. And we're just hanging out. Izzy's in her little coat, watching a little show with Daddy. So we're just enjoying this, you guys. Look at, I mean, seriously? Like, who gets this? Yeah. It's like a little resort. Yeah. We love it. So we're just gonna hang out and play with Izzy for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna put Izzy to sleep.
She's like super content.
She's sleepy. And tonight, we're just gonna hang out a little longer on the porch and then put Izzy to bed. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's the plan.
That's the plan.
So we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Bye.